sometimes love just bites. And Nightmare on 3008 is gonna show us how much it sucks.
They might be some of the most vicious vampires we've ever seen.
We were an aggressive haunted house.
It's trying to bite me! Oh God! He threw blood on us! Watch out for the hole in the floor.
We're here for their special Valentine's Day event. This place is chock full of vampires and butchers and all kinds of bloody creatures. It's a double-decker, 2-story haunt, and they are allowed to touch you. Definitely one of the most intense haunts we've been to in Alabama. We're gonna take you inside with us to show you why. So without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Cameraman.
She's looking at that.
Him!
I want to hide behind Nora.
Vince!
I teach school. I should be the one giving the beating. So.
Well, that's what
She does too.
Would
If
love
you
to
must.
see that.
Oh my. Oh God.
That was,
Is that sufficient?
yeah.
We were an aggressive haunted house. I will not guarantee that you will get touched. I'm not guarantee you will not be touched. I'm gonna tell you more likely you're gonna be touched. You're not gonna be tagged, bagged, thrown in a closet, shoved in a cabinet, nothing like that. When you go through this show, there's multiple steps. We are 2 floors. Do not fall up these steps or down these steps.
Fall up
We
the
have any
steps.
questions?
What the heck was that? I don't know. He's awful handsy though.
Please secure your belongings. Let's have a good time.
Got
We go
him.
down the ramp, knock on the door at a red light.
Oh, man,
Uh-oh,
they
the
got a
door's
house in
moving.
here.
Is that a good sign?
Oh my, something's behind me.
Something is definitely
So
behind
they
us.
will open for us.
Holy Oh, we're gonna knock on the door.
Jumpy Vince.
Greetings.
It's not quite the party in here yet.
Love bites. Now, it can be good or bad bite, I don't need to know.
Okay.
Love can be wonderful, amazing, enjoyable, everything you hoped it would be. It can also be horrible, terrible, agonizing. Rip your heart right out of your chest. Make you want to put a spike through his temple.
Do mine.
No, that's a little game changer.
I've been doing this 700 years, trust me, I know. It's not worth it, ditch him, go have fun.
Okay.
We're grateful that you chose to come through our illustrious establishment on your date. As you're going through, you may experience some Twilight issues. You might come across a few lost boys.
Oh.
Hell, you might even come across old Nosferatu himself,
Oh.
the pitiless old bastard.
Oh my. Open sesame.
Wait.
Oh! So aggressive.
Love is aggressive.
Moving the book.
Yeah. Oh God, what are we getting into?
Purple room.
That is one creepy door. Oh God, I didn't like that laugh. Did y'all like that laugh? It's our date.
Yes.
Hey, what's going on here, guys? Oh my.
Where was that? Oh, that's in there. That's awesome. Oh, they do have fangs. Oh no.
Thought it was a
Oh
mirror.
Lordy. He's ready for us.
Oh my.
That's great. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Just got blown.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh, what is it?
What is it? What is it?
it's something hanging.
Oh.
That's not something
That's
hanging. Oh God, no.
yeah. So like
What is that?
Oh my.
rat boy.
I don't know. He's gonna give you a Valentine's. He's trying to bite me! Oh no! What the heck? Oh God! Oh God! Nope, I'm going this way.
Oh my.
I don't know. I really don't know. Oh God!
Oh
Tyler!
my. Oh God.
He's behind
He's
you.
right behind me. He's right behind
Behind
me.
you.
Oh God. Oh my. Oh God. Oh God.
Hey, we're going this
It's
way.
terrifying getting scared at this music. Oh God. Uh-oh, you know something's in there.
This is crazy.
Uh-oh.
What is?
Oh,
Where
Where did he come from?
I don't know. What?
He just materialized right in front of us.
Don't you bite. I don't trust it. I never knew I was gonna die to this song. Tyler's behind you.
Oh, he's still following. Still following.
Oh.
Oh God. How'd you
he
get down
waited
there?
for you.
Oh no, I don't like this part. I don't want to do it.
Somebody's over there.
I really don't like this part.
I seen
Just a
somebody
little
over
dark.
there.
This is so freaking. Look how high.
Right.
Yes. Oh my God, does that one have fangs too? Oh no, no, no,
They all have fangs.
I need the neck getter.
They all have fangs.
No, oh God. Ah! I'm gonna die up here. Oh my God. No, no, not one. No. Oh God. Oh no. Jesus! We got triple tapped! Oh my God! Oh no! They're climbing everywhere!
Locker room.
I hear y'all in there banging.
Ah! You know we're gonna end up on the other side of that.
What's going into?
Rather dark.
Uh-oh, very dark. Oh no. Oh shoot! I don't know about this. I don't know about that one! Ah!
I'm gonna run.
You're a clown! Don't go in the tunnel! Oh God, he moves fast! That was so good. They scared me right into the other one.
Oh God.
They're really good at scaring you right into another one.
Right?
Uh-huh. Yeah. No. Oh, what is that? Oh God. Somebody needs to feed that thing.
Sparky.
Oh, Randy.
Oh God.
I got holy water, I got crosses, I got steaks, I got holy Jesus waters. What you want?
Holy Jesus waters, yeah.
What you want?
You ain't got
Money.
Take one of
I think we need to
those
upgrade.
Money.
I'm trying to find money.
I need my money. Give me my
How
money.
about some FrankenFuel?
FrankenFuel. Here, money. Thank you. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh God! What
Can I have
happened?
your blood?
Oh God,
I-
no.
Please have your blood!
I
You
need
work
mine.
for money.
Have your blood!
Oh God,
At least he asked.
that is true. Uh-oh, where'd he go?
I don't know. He'll be back.
Say, give it to me!
Found them.
Right now!
Oh, I don't know.
Found you!
Oh shit.
Blood!
No.
Can I have it?
No. I'm using it. Oh my.
You done it!
You hurt my baby!
Sorry.
Hurt him!
I tried.
Yes, now!
These vampires are mean.
He was dead before.
He was Oh goodness, okay. I'm sorry about your friend.
Oh.
Oh, what is on your face? Ew! Are you petrified? Oh God! That's awesome!
Lord Count Vladimir said this is table scraps!
Oh, well,
I may
jeez.
be a commoner, but I am nothing!
Oh my
That's
God, they're
a
up there
big
staring
smile.
at us. Oh, Jesus.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Y'all can stay up there.
Y'all get up here.
I don't
Away
know.
from the vampires. Oh, we need garlic. Oh no. That one had blood recently because her eyes are red.
We don't have any blood.
Oh no.
We're fresh
no,
out.
No blood. We're dry.
We don't have any.
Oh God. It's an upside down chair. Oh my. Oh no. Oh. Okay.
Y'all can't leave yet now.
Uh-oh. Why? Oh my. We don't. Oh God.
All right.
Seems agitated.
Oh, I guess we can go.
Oh, I don't trust you.
Oh God. Oh God.
He's really mad. Oh,
Hello.
what is it? Oh no.
Oh good
Oh God. Where'd that clown come from?
I have no idea.
Watch where that hand goes.
Oh, geez, the hand.
There's the hand.
Oh, no. You are unhinged.
Oh, wow.
You're just absolutely unhinged. Oh, God. He threw blood on us. Oh, this is good. Oh, not you again. No. He bites.
Your friend.
Oh.
There's more.
I hear that one. No biting. We're poisoned. Oh, hell no.
What is wrong with your eye?
Here's your night, Shaco.
Socko.
Socko.
Oh, my God.
You want to smell him?
No, I do not.
Does he smell good? Oh, yeah. You get that.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh,
Look, this way. Dinner's that way.
oh yeah?
dinner. Does this look like dinner to you, Vince?
Looks kind of sparse to me.
Kind of slim pickings there.
Oh, hi.
Man.
Oh,
Hi.
Y'all look delicious.
she's got more blood on her face.
You want to stay for dinner?
I don't know.
You're not dinner.
Yes.
No. Ay. That's not necessary. What's in
I
there?
don't know. Now we're in church.
Welcome, church! Come on in!
That is one tall mother.
Oh, this is creepy.
Don't mind the nuns.
Never
Just
do.
hanging around.
That's just a sign of peace. Yeah.
Are you my sacrifice?
Yes.
Denied.
Nose goes. I'm not it.
Whoa.
Jesus. What is it? Tyler, is something following you?
I think maybe.
I heard an extra scuffle back there.
Did.
Okay.
The scuffle's for you, right?
Oh no. Oh Lord. I think we made it mad.
I can't tell if
Oh,
he's
yeah.
excited or angry.
The ladder. Is that real? Yep. Okay. Maybe. Oh God. Yep, that's real.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a monster of the fog. Okay. Oh, why
Yep.
is it growling at us?
I don't know, but
I'm holding on to you.
yeah, I have no idea where I'm going.
Me neither.
Wait, there's a.
I got 10 seconds to get out of here before I get hungry.
I lose. I lose.
Oh, I think he's
Yikes. Oh,
excited.
wait, what?
Oh, you found it.
Maybe.
We just went into purgatory. Uh-oh, something else is up there too. Watch out for the hole in the floor.
I see dinner made it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you're right. They're up here. Oh no.
Oh my.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
We're playing
goodness.
chicken with the vampires. Chicken. So we were playing chicken with the vampires. Chicken.
Oh God.
Okay. You just stay over there. Oh my.
Well.
Oh. We are not lost. There's more holes in the floor. Oh.
Watch your step. Oh,
That's your step.
That is good.
Oh my.
I like that.
I'm going around this way.
I love that.
They're waiting on us. I seen one
They
down
might
here.
be some of the most vicious vampires I've ever seen.
Right. What the? You see them go up there?
Up where?
They're darting around.
I don't know, Tyler. I
They've
think
got
I'm
like
seeing
superhuman
things.
speed.
We're screwed.
Oh God.
is this my friend again?
It's a
They're
friend.
gonna suck us. Look out! They're gonna suck us.
Promise is promise.
Oh my God! Oh no! They really are what's the word?
Oh my.
Oh my!
See, listen.
I mean,
We have no blood.
I mean, if anybody was gonna.
Everyone does not when you already sucked it. Oh my God! What is that? Is that a giant rat head?
Kinda looks like it.
Oh, that was Vince.
What's that?
Just scared the shit out of me.
Gotcha.
Hey.
Sneaking up on us. Oh God.
All right.
I think I'm just gonna hide in here. Oh my God.
Checking us out.
Oh, you stay up there.
You stay up there.
I don't
Barely.
trust them vampires at all. You know, as we were getting scared to a few of those tunes, I was like, this is scary as shit. Listening to this music.
ethereal, yeah.
Who'd have thought?
So normally, guys, when you come out during haunt season, there's a whole nother half of the show that goes out into these other buildings and stuff outside here. Make sure you're coming back during Halloween season to see the full show. You saw me talk about it a little bit going inside there, but don't forget to get you some FrankenFuel. We trust this stuff to get us home from haunted house trips. Use the link in the description to get 15% off. That'll basically cover your shipping and then some. They got 2 different flavors. They got original and sugar-free. I really like the sugar-free. The stuff is so new, it's not even available in stores yet, so make sure you use that link. And we're going to a bunch more haunts while we're down here in Alabama. I got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.